Delicious turon, heavenly colors, and its fusion. Not only that, it's made in America. Join us. Warm welcome. This is the Filipino food series releasing every Friday. Your Kuya and Uncle here. Today, samahan niyo ako because we are showcasing our merienda from the Philippines. And we are doing this today in America. Warm greetings. Today we're cooking an enhanced version, a fusion version of the classic turon. What are we going to add? This is special for me because when I was in college, this was our merienda. So if not for this merienda, hindi kami graduate. Seriously, this is very delicious. I can remember we were 5 and we'd order this, 1 piece for each person, and we would buy Coke Litro, and that was our merienda. It's turon with, of course, with the banana, plus camote and langka. So those are the ingredients in addition to the cooking oil, of course, and the lumpia rice. My uncle is with me preparing the camote. And on the other side, my uncle is doing the slicing of the camote. While I peel the banana. It's teamwork after all, yes. The family that cooks together stays together. That's new from Channel 1. You must say, why are you using overripe banana? Yes, they can be overripe, but there's advantage to that. Overripe fruits are a bit fermented and they have some liquor and even a bit of alcohol in them. That's why they are sweeter. Their sugar content begins to ferment. That's why they're much sweeter and more fragrant. They are really dark and unsightly. I even thought of preparing banana cake instead, but turon is preferred by the household and the neighbors as well. I asked them. I remember that this was the favorite merienda of the students along Bonifacio Street in our university in Baguio, and this was served by the Diaz Canteen, which I rechristened as Jazz. So that I hope they still call it Jazz, but during our college time it was called Jazz Canteen. Diaz, and I pronounced it Jazz, and it stuck. My batchmates and even our teachers called it Jazz Canteen. That was Channel 1 influence. I hope we have I hope that we have the same influence here in YT. My uncle and I resume the preparation. He does the camote, I do the banana. And it is a departure from the merienda in Mindanao where they have this raw or green banana boiled and dipped in ginamos. That's salty. This is sweet and aromatic. Thanks to the langka and thanks to the overripe banana. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Ibida natin ang pagkain natin sa buong mundo. And for today, binabida natin in America. We'll be sharing this to the neighbors. Let's start wrapping. I do not have the appropriate wrapper here. This is intended for fresh lumpia. It's very thin and it easily breaks. Put some langka. So that's the contents. 1 slice of banana, langka. Next, 1 banana slice, 2 to 3 strips of camote. Cut all French fries, and some langka slices, small slices, just to give it aroma. Some sugar, just a bit. Note that the langka is already sweetened, and the banana is also sweet by nature because it's ripe, overly ripe, and rub it. Fold both ends. And roll further. Remove that sheet. Yeah. Roll further. Yeah. And use water to paste the wrapper to the roll. One more to demonstrate. A tiny bit langka. I almost said lumpia. And just a small amount of sugar. And roll. I should have dried the langka because it tears the wrapper. It wets the wrapper. And if it breaks, it's not bad at all to use a second layer. Anyway, this sheet is very thin, so a thicker or more layer would be prepared. Flakes covering a sweet something inside is really nice. Look at the croissant. It has flakes and flakes of coatings. And we're done. I didn't show you the entire process of wrapping, but here it is, ready for frying. I'd like to thank Jackie of Madrid for my t-shirt. Jackie, here it is. See you soon in July. Fry it at low temperature. It will burn the wrapper. Honestly, I am apprehensive. The camote might not cook because the banana, of course, cooks faster, but they are wrapped. They are together wrapped in a lumpia wrapper. So we have to cook this longer than usual. This is the first time I do this. When I say low temperature, I mean not even medium, but low. Look, it burns or it browns quickly. It had to cook longer for the camote. Our turon from the Philippines, sharing to the world, beginning with America. Thank you for joining me. Our turon, turon, share. Ibida natin ang pagkain Pinoy. Hindi mo tago. Idanan ko pa kanabang di langkang ha. Hindi na. Oh. Our turron-fusion, overripe banana with camote and langka, sharing to the world, starting here in America. And of course, we're not cooking this just for ourselves, we're sharing this to the neighborhood. Turon made in America, but very true to our Pinoy tradition. Sharing it to the world, that's why join me, share it to the world as well, subscribe and share. At ibida natin ang ating turon from the Philippines, but today we're sharing it to Americas. And of course, to our entire neighborhood. Jose, ven aquí, tengo otro muy sabroso. Ven aquí. And as we end this episode, we might as well inaugurate my newest accessory, my channel accessory. Look at that. Oh, diba? It's Channel 1 style. Channel 1. Grow, cook, and share. Share it to the world. As I've been doing now. Bye-bye. Mainit. Uwi na ako. See you in Holland and either at the small kitchen or at the garden.
Wow.
Your Korean uncle here. Until next time. Bye-bye. I just got a shirt from Tita Ao from the neighborhood. See, if you share, you get rewarded. Share it to the world, our Pinoy food. You will be rewarded. and and not just this, I got another one from another neighbor. See, if you share, you get rewarded. Share it to the world.